Ay, nalagay.
Sunod po. Ay, mga pangalan yung Joko. Na dyan. Dito ka lang po sa mga kasitan. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Madi A. Ginto with honors for his outstanding academic performance during the first quarter classroom-based recognition in grade 1 Kamya for the school year 2025-2026, given this 25th day of September 2025 at Balitucan Elementary School, signed Ma'am Cynthia C. Menjola as the class advisor and Sir Rinaldo D. Guzman as the school principal. Congrats, Madi! Harap tayo. Dito muna dito. Dito. Next po.
Pakilig. Pindutin mo.
Okay.